We started our food trailer in October 2018 and closed it in January 2022 after more than 3 years of hard work due to the economy changing after COVID. We found a pre-owned commercial food trailer on Facebook Marketplace for a really great deal. After a thorough walkthrough, we decided to purchase it. We moved it to our permanent location, pressure washed it, and put our logo, designed by our son, on the side. We cleaned it from top to bottom until the stainless steel shined. It came with a commercial stove, oven, flat top, and refrigerator. We were so excited to receive our first food delivery order from US Food, which made it all real. Our other son did an awesome job designing our menu. We also placed our changeable menu out front to let the community know we were open for business. And just like that, they began to show up. My husband put his ribs on the grill early in the morning, and they could smell it for miles around, and people came to see what it was all about. Next, I will show you guys some of the items that were on our menu. Barbecue ribs with the baked beans and potato salad, our homemade pound cake that we sold by the slice. It was a customer favorite. Seafood gumbo, catfish with collard greens and cornbread, seafood salad, our mini sweet potato pies, another customer favorite, smothered chicken with collard greens and mac and cornbread, our delicious hamburger, fried shrimp with french fries, our homemade peach cobbler, another customer favorite, chicken tenders with fried okra, smothered turkey with green beans and collard greens, our chicken and waffles, another customer favorite, and some of our side items on our steam table. Next, I will show you guys a few of the many 5-star reviews we received from our awesome customers from our city and the surrounding area. We worked really hard and put our heart and soul into making homemade, from scratch food, which is exactly what soul food is. We are now bringing our recipes to you guys and hope that you build trust in our commitment to bringing you great recipes for your families. Please bear with us as we learn and grow. Thank you so much for your support.